Love you. Hello again. Hi, Bucky. I'm tired, guys, doing this. I'm so tired. So, sihain ka na. Matitimanak din eh. Ay, hala. Hi, I'm looking for Susie, guys. I'm tired already. I think it is doing her life. I don't know what is doing there. I want to be done with this, guys. Hi, Broswen. You just keep laughing. I'm tired already. Now you are happy? Now, are you happy? I'm done doing this. Nice. Are you happy now again? My God, my back is hurt already. I am old. I am old already. Yeah! Oh my God. I'm almost dying here. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Man, always happy when eyeballs a happy visitor. Is it? Oh my gosh. Then send super sticker. Why no one send super sticker if I'll be visit your eyeballs? How? Don't be frugal, guys. Okay?
Ate, kasi ko Ate Ros. Mga uday, takto 20 ko ang kalamansi concentrate. Damo po nga salamat orog na okay lovely na alipay diyan ang mga uncle.
220, good bawas.
Ikaw na nagpasalamat ate.
Din hiya pagkuan.
Manas group sa katutulong akit ha.
Aw.
Pero nari may itong kahit ang kayo darasel mo kasi darasel kami na napar kami ni Isgan.
My God, Mama, because they are too broke to spell $2 to $5. I think also like that, Rosewin. I heard Mama Padu. Mama is there. My mother is in the swimming pool. She's there. She's swimming in the sea. I can heard her like talking. She's in the swimming pool, guys. My Mama Pado. Take your trousers, please, huh? Guys, I am agree with you, Broswin. Most of them they are broke. Most of them they are broke except who send the two super sticker sender today. Patterson and James Patterson and Joe. They send super sticker and you. That out of 200 to 300, 3 only are not broke. Yeah. Most of them they are broke. Cracks me up.